तो गाइस मैं आज बाबा इंप्रेशन करने वाला। I'll show you. मेरे पास टॉपिक नहीं है। मेरे पास genuinely टॉपिक नहीं है।
That is such a good impression, dude.
Yeah, it's bang on.
बट
फटाफट कुछ पढ़ लेता हूँ।
बट तू तेरे पास सबसे बड़ा टॉपिक है ना, तेरा शादी।
अरे मत मारूंगा तेरे को, इसके अंदर से मारूंगा, इसके अंदर से मार। एक्चुअली मेरा जो टॉपिक है आज,
वरुण तू घर पे नहीं आया खाना खाने को?
मत दो मुझे खाना, मैं इधर बैठ के भी खाना नहीं खा रहा। तेरे घर पे हो खाना खाने, नहीं आना है मुझे। क्यों बुला रहे हो मुझे? क्यों बुला रहे हो उन सबको? हमारे पास है खाना, मत बुलाओ।
Hey, by the way, guys, did you notice that I've got a new camera?
हाँ, कुछ अलग लग रहा था।
More HD. Now you can see the clock in more HD.
सिद्धि किधर है? लेकिन सिद्धि नहीं दिखाई दे रही है।
आ रही।
No, I also like that you framed it nicely. Like it's wider also.
Yes.
No,
much
I
wider.
initially thought that उसका lighting change हुआ है because there's more yellow light
Yeah.
than usual. पीछे जो wall पे
उधर burnout है।
Burnout है, full
हाँ
burnout.
नहीं, लेकिन ज्यादा येलो दिख रहा है तो पहले मुझे वो लगा। लेकिन क्या कैमरा लेके आएगा तो
डिमर डालना, डिमर।
This is a
मतलब
Logitech.
ऐसे, हाँ ऐसे नहीं तो क्या स्ट्रिप्टीज कर रहा है?
No. So basically, what I realized was that my laptop camera, which is what I was using so far, it was perfect for the podcast because it was divided into 4 people. फिर जब second hand story start किया, तब मैं अकेला हूँ, and it looks like a MMS.
Suddenly mid second and storage Kautuk is like, but ऐसे दिख रहा है अभी, मैं क्या करूँ? ये कैमरा क्वालिटी देख के
अरे पब्लिक मेरे को DM कर रहा है कि bro, for a second I didn't know which side I'd opened.
Were you naked, Kautuk?
Because the camera quality was exactly MMS.
तो साले views के लिए बेच रहा
This
है।
camera quality is so good right now. The way you're sitting, it looks like you have no neck because your black beard is merged into your black t-shirts.
Yeah, that's true.
लेकिन गौतम फुल खर्चा करके बोला, अच्छा नया कैमरा तो नया टी शर्ट भी पहन लेता हूँ। ऐसा लग रहा है हिमाचल में है गौतम। और मैं अपने ट्रॉपिकल हॉलिडे पे हूँ। बाबा तो घर पे ही है। बाबा घर पे।
Baba looks like a guy who has put all his other clothes for wash. So now
Every
he's
day.
wearing
Every day. So
the last cloth he has.
and then he's forced to tell everybody, अरे नहीं एक्चुअली धोने में डाला नहीं, लेकिन मैं तेरे को पूछा नहीं। नहीं, कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है मैं ही सेम टी शर्ट पहन रहा हूँ।
You know, I feel like at the end of the day, Baba takes off his t-shirt and wipes the coffee table with it.
That's before I put it for wash.
And then wakes up the next day and complains, अरे यार मैंने कॉफी कब गिराया है अपने? अबे तू साफ कर रहा है कॉफी। 11:30 बजे कॉफी पीता है बाबा, कैसा है तू?
अरे वरना मैं पॉडकास्ट पे सो जाएगा 100%।
Wow.
वही बचा है, तूने खाना खा लिया, अभी सो जा, कल से काम भी कर पॉडकास्ट के बीच में।
वो तो
That's
करता है
during
dude.
live
वो तो
streams.
100% करता है 100%.
मैं बोला ना, जब भी बाबा लिख रहा है ना, वो स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा है अगले कैडबरी ऐड का, वो कुछ एडिट पॉइंट नहीं बना रहा है, क्योंकि उसका मालूम है अपन उसका एडिट कभी चेक करते ही नहीं है। डाल ले जो भी है। Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take an interesting, upset, fast, sensitive, and personal stories and we talk about it. And today we are going to change the lineup. Today, Bumrah will open the batting and Rohit Sharma will close the batting. बाबा मैं तेरे को रोहित शर्मा
रोहित
बुला
शर्मा बना है, लेकिन तूने मेरे को आउट किया है, तो no
बट
problem.
मैं तो विराट
but
कोहली
by the
क्योंकि
way-
मैं मिडिल ऑर्डर में हूँ।
Guys, historic. Baba has like twice in a row got a story and Bap story. So Baba ends.
But and beautiful thing is it's a
Beautiful thing
You
is that
mean-
it's a बाबा story.
Yeah.
छोटा है।
And he murdered a guy and then he went 1 kilometer away.
Wow bro, I can't believe। और फिर डांडी मार्च पे चले गया। क्या था वो? I कैसे सैको जीत रहे वो
How
उधर
mean,
मेरे को
dude.
मालूम नहीं।
how mean.
For those of you wondering what that reference is from, check out one of the older podcasts where Baba. I think it's
No,
Murder
we
Mysteries.
don't
Mysteries.
know when we say
Murder
what.
Mysteries. Murder Mysteries. That's what it is.
It's not
Uh,
even that. It's during our story universe. At some
Yeah.
point, we'll start this podcast, right?
Yes. Which
No.
is now. Okay. So, guys, आज का basically कार्यक्रम is about films. Okay?
कौतुक मूड में भी मस्त आते, पूरा निकाल के
हाँ.
स्टैंड को बाद में कि चल अभी।
I also
Abhi-
feel
abhi-
Kautuk has not has half-assed his research also today. Like
No. Today is good. In fact, it's a fun sort of thing. What this is.
जब
Okay.
इतना प्रीफेस किया ना स्टोरी को तभी मालूम है कुछ दाल में काला है और तो रेपुटेशन पे चल रहा है फिलहाल
correct.
अरे कि मैं तो हमेशा ही सिक्स मारता हूँ कौन का आउट करेगा मुझे हाँ
So basically,
इसका सब स्टोरी तो सेकंड हैंड स्टोरी में जा रहा है मैच.
हाँ ये अच्छा किया एक्चुअल कौतुक चले गए उधर सुमड़ी में निकल गया अभी चालू कर अभी अपने को उधर जाना पड़ेगा बाबा
better call कौतुक.
better call. Hilarious. Great
Wow.
reference.
बाप
Okay.
तेरा कैसे चल रहा है एल कमीनो बाबा
El Camino is this podcast, dude.
अच्छा चले अब मेरे को लगा ये ब्रेकिंग बैड है
Nahi, because it's El Caminos.
हाँ
Acha, I have one question before we start the podcast. It's fully out of the blue. Don't even ask me what's the connection. Okay, there is a connection. I
Wow,
just want to know
that's-
in this Special Ops 1.5, which is there, which I have seen. I have lapped it up because it's Neeraj Pandey. So,
अच्छा so you
KK
watch
Menon,
anything it does
dude, anything he does. So, KK Menon, he's done. Is it like they tried to do it with that Irishman face work, or is it makeup? Because KK Menon looks like a deep fake. I'm not lying.
What a weird compliment.
He looks like a
So
deep fake
you're
of
saying
KK Menon younger.
so somebody deepfaked KK Menon on KK Menon
On KK Menon.
अच्छा
Or younger KK Menon to make him look younger. So I just want to know, guys, if you all know whether they did prosthetics or they think or there's some facial surgery or like they
so
did that
KK
Irishman.
Menon or Neeraj Pandey if you're watching this podcast please get in touch with Baba his
Really
phone
not.
number
They're
is
writing,
9
they're writing episode 2, season 2. Dude, I'm a big fan of
so
Special
ये
Ops, huh?
डेढ़ मतलब क्या आधा ही सीजन निकाल के छोड़ दिया है क्या है
It is literally 4 episodes.
Oh,
It's season 1.5. It's 4 episodes.
1.5. Great. Superb.
हाँ, चल,
Must.
sorry, Kautuk,
Okay.
शुरू करो.
Segue from that to credits. Wow, what are the credits of 1.5? Like,
अरे सेगवे जीत रहे जिंदाबाद
Good.
okay, so the reason I bring this up is because I was looking up, I forget how this rabbit hole opened up, but it's a very interesting rabbit hole of the different kinds of film credits that exist and what are some of the stories behind them. Okay, so let's start with one, which is that if you see most films or even Special Ops or whatever, you will find one credit called Foley Artist.
Yeah.
Okay. So now a Foley artist, for those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically a person who's reproducing sounds, like while meaning it's being done in a different location with objects where they're reproducing sounds for the film. Okay.
Correct.
Now these sounds could be about like it could be of like punches hitting somebody. It could be cloth rustling, footsteps, those kind of sounds. Now these are all reproduced by artists called Foley artists who do this in a sound studio while they watch the film and perform these acts.
Yeah. Just
So
side note,
this-
they started with something called the theater of the mind. So for example, it's very simple. Like if you are filling a bottle of water, just the distance from where the water falls and all. So it's like
Yes.
very specific and technical and it's really great.
Yes. And this is basically the story of how Foley artistry came about. Okay. And it came about because of a man called Jack Foley. Okay.
Yes.
So his surname is what these artists basically take on. Now, Jack Foley was a very interesting, colorful guy who he used to play semi-pro baseball. He used to he was a war veteran. Like, he was a bunch of stuff. And finally, he decides to settle in the small town. He convinces the town that if they put in a little advertising money, they could become a destination for Hollywood. And that's what happens. He promotes this town and people start coming in. When this happens, Jack Foley decides,
Sorry,
कि अब
did they
मैं
call it Foleywood?
क्या बात है बा
क्या सच
आज
है
तो
क्या
सुपर किल
Coffee.
नहीं,
नहीं,
नहीं।
coffee.
तो he moves into this place and he gets involved with the film business. Okay, so he's writing scripts for them. He's also started directing. Now this was the silent era, and Jack Foley has started directing inserts. Okay, now inserts, what are inserts? Inserts are basically small cutaways of a bigger film. So the main director would come and shoot the main film, and then they would be like, अच्छा एक छोटा सा scene है जहाँ एक हाथ गन को पकड़ रहा है, या like there's a close up of a particular shot. That was an insert, and this job was given to Jack Foley. So while he's in this universe, that's when the world turns to sound. Okay, and the Jazz Singer comes out, and it's a wild hit. Okay, Jazz Singer was one of the first or the first film which had sound in it. So because this happens, Universal is making a movie called Showboat. Okay, it's an iconic musical, and they were making this as a silent movie. So when Jazz Singer comes out, that's when Universal goes, "Pata hai kya, isko ispe sound dalte." Okay, so they put sound onto the thing and it became this iconic musical. But what they started noticing was that there were lots of scenes where they couldn't record the sounds properly. So they were like, "Abhi kya kare? Should we kharcha karke wapas karne ka ki kya karne ka?" So Jack Foley was like, "1 second, give me some time and give me some space and equipment, and I will try to recreate the sounds for you." And that's the first session of a person doing Foley, and it was Jack Foley doing Foley. Okay, so he does that, and he becomes wildly successful in this very specific sort of thing. For 10 years, Universal kept this man under wraps, like he's the 7th book of Harry Potter. Like they were like, "Nahi, kisi ko nahi pata chalega ki apan kya kar rahe." So, but he had a team of people, and eventually those people started leaving for other production houses, and that's how the Foley artist community grew. This man also helped in this another iconic movie called Spartacus. There was a scene where
I'm Spartacus.
That's Yoda, Baba.
It's Kirk Douglas actually.
So in Spartacus, what was happening was there was a scene where they had these men walking in chains, and they hadn't recorded the sound of the chains. So they were going to go back to Italy and reshoot this entire scene.
Because you don't have chains in America. chain to chain है ना, थोड़ी बता रही है Italian chain है, नहीं.
This is advertising magic.
This is Baba.
This is Baba. Full. Sir, I think we need to shoot this house sequence in Croatia.
I have not shot a film abroad in fucking 3
No, you just
years.
go there to edit.
3
अरे
years.
लेकिन सर म्हाड़ा में तो है, अरे पागल है तू, रोमानियन एडिट देखा है क्या कभी? चलो
तो सुन ना, तो बेसिकली जैक फोली ये देखा कि क्या सीन है बता, तो लाइक देख लोग चल रहा है, चेन्स है, अभी हम लोग सोच रहे हैं वापस इटली जाके रीशूट करना है. जैक फोली वाज लाइक, "You know what, give me 5 minutes." Okay, he locks himself in a room and using his own feet and keys, he recreates the sound. Okay, so that's how the Foley.
ऐसे जब भी बोल रहे हैं ना, there was that Monty Python sketch, right, where
yes,
they are doing the horse ka sound, but they're
Holy
doing it
Grail.
with coconuts.
Yeah.
Tadak, and it
Life of
literally
Brian,
sound
no?
Life of Brian, correct.
Yeah.
No, it's Holy Grail.
Oh, Holy Grail. Sorry.
Holy
Holy
Grail.
Grail.
Yeah.
और उन लोग खुद ऐसे
Yeah, that's literally what a Foley artist does. So that's the story of Jack Foley. Okay,
But you know, when you talk about Foley artists like that, right? Like one is where he's recreating sounds of chains and stuff you know what it sounds like. But like when you watch like the making of Jurassic Park, for example.
Yeah.
Now this is how we think a fucking T-Rex sounds, or one of the fucking horn wala kya hai uska naam, Stegosaurus, yeah, Brachiosaurus, whatever. You're just making it up. Usme, you know, you take the sound of a fucking alligator, mix it with the sound of a duck, and then put a sound of a horse on it. तीनों को मिला के, अच्छा अभी ये Triceratops है तेरा, whatever. You know, that's
Yeah.
no,
the T-Rex
same
was-
level.
Some of them do things that are genuinely exquisite, because it's not even that. Like, for example, it's also imagining a sound as something. So
That's what I'm saying. So one is recreating sound that you know what it sounds like, and the other is you're just creating. Now, whoever's watched Jurassic Park, they'll think that's literally what a T-Rex sounds like, even if real में कुछ और था जो अपने को कहीं मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. But whatever the sound was, that's the sound for us. You know, so it's really cool to see. Even in fact, this one particular sound that I really like, although the movies are stupid after a point, is Transformers. To Transformers,
yeah.
mein dekha na, you know,
Satisfying.
when they change, it's fucking ASMR, bro. When they go from car to
Yeah, those
abhi wo-
clicks, those
yeah.
metallic clicks, na? Yeah.
Oh fuck, dude! I love listening to it. It's
Yeah.
too good. But it's just too bad that the movies have gotten worse and worse and worse. So
And also, by the way, so one very interesting thing when you dig into these Foley artists is that you'll realize that these guys aren't just doing, there's a reason they're called Foley artists, because these guys are actually performing the scene. Because to
Yeah.
get that right sound, you have to actually look at the screen and mimic the artist on screen. So, which is why Jack Foley, he used to say that he could identify different actors by the way they walked.
correct.
So it'd be like Marlon Brando has like a soft walk. Like Cary Grant has a different type of thing. So he would know who the people and how to mimic them. So it's a very interesting thing where these guys are, like the way that Andy Serkis became like a motion capture artist. Like there's a particular thing he can do, which he's really good at, which is the same kind of artistry these guys bring just to sound. And it's crazy that, so he wasn't credited for most of his work. Jack
What,
Foley
Andy
wasn't.
Serkis? Oh,
No,
sorry.
Jack Foley wasn't credited.
Are you serious?
Yeah, he wasn't credited for his work, and which is why it's such a vindication that years later, the very profession is named after him.
Correct.
So, अब तो ज्यादा ही कुछ credit मिल गया है, I would say.
अभी सबको फोली बोले. अभी तो मैक फोली याद है कि नहीं? मैक फोली.
Ah,
Socko.
Sockman. Okay, so the next credit story is about a guy called Robert Town. Okay, Robert Town, as you might know, I think he was the guy behind Chinatown, like the screenplay behind Chinatown, and one of the best screenwriters in Hollywood. Now, Robert Town, there's a very interesting story about him. So basically what happens is that in 1985, the Academy Awards are announced, and there is, in the screenplay category, there is a nomination. Okay, and that nomination was for the movie. It was basically The Legend of Tarzan. Okay, and the screenplay writer who was credited for it was a guy called P.H. Wazak. Okay, and here's what happens.
It was
So
not
basically-
Heman Birje. वो था ना अपना इंडियन टार्जन was Heman Birje.
I doubt Hemant Birje wrote the screenplay.
So,
So there's a man called P.H. Wazak who's been put in the screenplay category. Now, the backstory to this was that Robert Town had written the screenplay of this movie, and he wanted to direct it as well. But what happened is that he had directed a movie right before this called Personal Best, which turned out to be not his personal best. In fact,
Yeah.
it was his personal worst. Okay, it flopped hard, and it flopped so hard that the production house was like, "हम लोग नहीं दे रहे तेरे को direct करने के लिए, तो please, sorry, we are giving it to another director." Robert Town was so upset that he's like, "Fuck this! I'm going to put P.H. Wazak instead." Okay, now P.H. Wazak was Robert Town's dog.
Oh,
And which is why a dog was nominated for the Oscar that year. Okay,
wait. So he
the-
changed the screenplay pe name to his dog's name.
Yeah, he basically credited his dog.
That's
with the
also like
screenplay.
what's his name? Dalton Trumbo jo tha na?
Ha,
Because Trumbo was considered to be a communist and he was ostracized by Hollywood. He still wrote a fuck ton of scripts, but under an alias. So
Yeah.
I think wasn't Citizen Kane one of them? If I'm not mistaken, not Citizen Kane,
just
but
this.
one of the
You know
really
who's one of the most famous people to do this is Steven Soderbergh. So
Ah,
what
Steven
did he-
Soderbergh, Steven Soderbergh edits DOP's screenplays under various names, and all of them are registered under various guilds. So Soderbergh.
So how is it that not a single person in Hollywood and has said this, but Bava has sat and
Wait,
found this
I'll
out?
tell you. Soderbergh, what's this called? He's done this
So
across.
basically, yeah, but Baba, do you think this is done for GST reasons?
No. No, I think there are a couple of places where they try to use pseudonyms. I think it's because of the various what's it called, those directors guild, writers guild, etc., etc. So they have various like rules and all of that, right? So thing, but like for example, I'll tell you, found it. So for example, Soderbergh uses the pseudonym Peter Andrews for his work as cinematographer on his films, and the name Mary Ann Bernard as the work for editor. So
Must.
so
Must.
Has it ever happened that all three of them have been nominated for something?
you know, on a Steven Soderbergh film, I doubt it,
So
except for
But I like Steven Soderbergh. तेको नहीं अच्छा
yeah,
लगता?
he's
he's
very stylish now.
good,
Yeah, he's really
Very good, bro.
And what was that fully yellow film he shot?
और उसने कंटेजन भी उसने ही बनाई थी, याद है?
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
literally like the way it
Corona.
showed, अपन बच गए. मतलब towards the end of the film when you see like mass riots and violence break out, right? Because people are
Yeah.
not getting vaccines. अपने इधर वो नहीं हुआ. उसके अलावा हर एक चीज बहुत फटे दिखाई वो मूवी में.
Yeah. No, it got a full
And all his
second
movies,
life.
bro. All that he's done all of the Ocean, Sex Lies and Videotape. Fuck ton of movies.
Like
Well done,
solid,
Peter
solid.
Andrews.
Dude, मैं Oceans देख रहा था वापस. It's such a stylistically good
बहुत
movie.
मस्त है, bro.
Must, and the soundtrack of that movie
It's, you
is
know,
so good.
the way it happens is ऐसे क्लूनी बोर हो रहा है मंडे को, तो वो फोन करता है ब्रैड पिट को, हाँ सुन क्या कर रहा है फ्राइडे, तू लेक कोमो चलेगा क्या? नहीं क्यों? नहीं शूट करना है एक नया पिक्चर. अरे यार मैं वो मन नहीं कर, नहीं तू सिर्फ खा रहा है मूवी में, तू सिर्फ खा और तू 4 लाइन बोल. अरे और बाकी 15 एक्टर है वो संभाल लेंगे. Bro, all three. Like the third one is my least favorite because it became very convenient. But the first one is super. It's so fucking well done.
Yeah, I think second one is my favorite personal.
Because second
Okay.
one,
This
and
is
especially that
also-
portion with Vincent Cassel when he evades
yeah.
the lasers to that soundtrack.
Yeah.
This is really, really going to blow your mind, Varun Thakur.
Hmm.
Even Joel and Ethan Cohen use a pseudonym.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Yeah,
And they are
called Roderick
Nadeem
James.
Shravan.
Nadeem
Roderick
Shravan.
James. So yeah, it's so I was just reading about it. It's basically because, for example, the Writers Guild of America and the Directors Guild of America. So if you are a member of the Writers Guild, just by that virtue, it will always be written by and then directed by. And between written by and directed by, there cannot be a another credit that is being rolled in. So when he wanted to do it on one of his films, I think Solaris or whatever, he wanted to do directed and photographed by Steven Soderbergh. But because it would be written, because he had written it as well. So writer ke baad ye, so the way he did it is he just created another pseudonym and then did it. It's very
Why can't you just
complicated.
create another category called Sab Kuch By?
हाँ, सब कुछ बाय.
That's a Clint Eastwood film.
Yeah, Sab Kuch
Literally,
By
bro, सब
Clint
Yeah.
Eastwood.
सब तो करता है वो.
Correct.
Even this one, dude, Inside by Bo Burnham, Sab Kuch by Bo Burnham, something by
But वो
Netflix
जो किया है वो
and
सिर्फ
done.
वो बर्नम ही कर सकता था, bro. तो समझीस.
मस्त था. Okay, so now let me tell you about the last credit related thingy, and this is not credit, but this is titles. Okay, so now this is something that everyone has seen at some point, and it still is very widely used, which is, and you will know exactly what it is when I tell you, which is, this is a work of fiction. Any similarity to actual persons living or dead or actual events is purely coincidental. ठीक है?
Rasputin.
हाँ, ये
सबने
देखा
Queen.
हाँ.
Okay, now the story is why this title was introduced and how it came about. Story begins in 1933, okay, when MGM Studios puts out a movie called Rasputin and the Empress.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now when this movie comes out, a little known prince called Felix Yusupov, okay, comes out of the woodworks and says that this film is wrong, and the reason it's wrong is because I killed Rasputin and this is not how it happened. Okay. The real story of this thing was basically Rasputin was this mystic, lecherous mystic, crazy guy who
Who
was
found himself in the fucking myths of the Tsars during
The last Tsars, who were the Romanovs, he was their like aide and confidant. Okay, rumors were that he was also sleeping with the empress and all of
and
the
he has a
Tsarina.
big dick. That was the other thing.
ये सब है, ठीक है?
हाँ,
All
सब
these
सब।
legends about this
और तो
guy.
देखेगा रास्पुतिन ऐसे लंबा बाल ऐसे मूंछ
He looks like Bawa,
बाबा Rasputin
lover of the Russian queen.
Lover
Also
of
true
the
because Bawa
Russian
was
queen.
born in that era. So
Yeah.
correct.
No, also true because of Mariana Granatskov. Yeah, dude.
Oh, wow. Correct.
Chelsea
Chelsea reference.
Okay.
Okay, so basically, what happens with in the thing was that in December of 1916, Felix Yusupov, he calls Rasputin over to his house. He offers him cyanide-laden cakes and then shoots him dead. Okay,
redundant
no, double
just
double
to make
sure.
sure that cyanide doesn't
No, because
do the
this guy
job.
wasn't dying. There were multiple attempts on Rasputin's life, और ये मर रहा ही नहीं है.
इसके
So
वजह
he's
से
like-
उसका folklore भी बढ़ा था कि
Yeah.
like oh this guy is unkillable, he can never die, etc.
Correct. Now Rasputin dies, and what happens is that thankfully the Tsar and the Tsarina, they let Yusupov off with a lighter sentence, which was just exiling him. And this worked out in his favor because when the royal family was rounded up and executed, he wasn't part of it. Okay. So bhai bach gaya hai. But then years later, he is penniless. And he has tried to earn some money by writing about like Rasputin and memoirs and all of that stuff. Okay. Not making too much money. Then he sees this movie and he's like, ab paisa balaunga. इसको मैं sue करूंगा और पैसा बनाऊंगा. ठीक है? So he attempts to sue them, but here's what happens. He can't sue them because he's a murderer himself. So he can't basically get the libel. So what he does is he then gets his wife to sue.
Yeah.
Okay. And the wife sues MGM by saying that there is one particular scene which definitely didn't happen. Okay. The scene was basically in the movie, Rasputin realizes that the guy who plays Yusupov, his name was Chegodiev in the movie. Chegodiev's wife in the movie is Natasha. Okay. And Rasputin realizes that Natasha is going to be a problem for him. So what he does to malign her is that there is a rape scene where he rapes Natasha. Now, this thing never happened because Rasputin had never even met the real Natasha, whose name was Irina. Okay, so he had not even had contact with her. So this was definitely a made-up event. So she sues MGM and she wins. Okay, big time.
Oh,
Like, basically they awarded her £25,000, which is about like $125,000. Okay, and not only that, MGM had to put this film in cold storage for decades. And when it was finally released, they had to edit out that scene. Okay, so she wins big time. Now, this whole thing could have been avoided because before the filming of this movie, a researcher had come to MGM and said that, guys, ये नहीं हुआ है. तो अगर तुम डालोगे तो यूसुपोव्स आपको सू करेंगे. And
अच्छा, बोला भी
MGM,
था.
and MGM reacted to it by firing her. Okay, so she gets fired. They go ahead with it. And not only that, in the movie, it began with a thing that said, this movie concerns the destruction of an empire. A few of the characters are still alive
Oh, fuck.
and the others are dead. So people could easily put two and two together and realize that the only people surviving are the Yusupovs. So everyone knew that this Chegodiev and Natasha were these two. So after this thing happens, this debacle, the justice who's handling the case tells MGM that, guys, तुम लोग ने ये स्टार्टिंग में जो लिखा था ना, उसका एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट लिखना चाहिए. ठीक है, तुम लोग बोल रहे कि लिविंग है, अलाइव है, ये सब बोल कि नहीं है, किया ही नहीं है. And so that's how the credits were
A
introduced.
disclaimer at the start of the movie. Yeah.
Yeah, the disclaimer was introduced. And in fact, people were so scared that when Raging Bull happened, right? Raging Bull was based on a real boxer called Jake LaMotta. So it was hilarious because it begins by saying that this is based on Jake LaMotta. We've taken stuff from his biography, and right after that, the disclaimer comes: this is a work of fiction. There's no resemblance.
देखो पता है,
So-
हम लोग किस सबसे ज्यादा कभी हंसे थे? I remember this so clearly because you mentioned this disclaimer. We
Yeah.
had gone to watch Lucky No Time for Love. ठीक है, और हम लोग फन रिपब्लिक में सब लोग 10 लोग बैठे और उधर आया डिस्क्लेमर. Okay, all the characters in this film are fictitious. Any resemblance to any person dead or alive is purely coincidental. और उसमें स्नेहा उल्लाल है जो ऐश्वर्या की डुप्लीकेट है. और हम लोग सब देख के अरे ये तो उसमें डुप्लीकेट है, चिल्ला रहे थे. I remember this so clearly, bro.
Yeah. So and basically, so Yusupov finally died in 1967. तो अगर किसी को उस पे बनाने का है तो
But you
please.
think these problems happen in the butt office? सर मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ ये नहीं हुआ. अरे कुछ टेंशन नहीं है सर, ये कोरियन पिक्चर है. अरे चल ना, इमरान हाशमी अपने पास. सर ये तो थाई मूवी है. अरे मलिका शेरावत. सर ये तो जापानीज मूवी. सर अभी आप हद करो. जॉन तू आ, कवर अप कर देंगे. अरे
Cover up
राहत
कर
4-5 गाने गाना फटाफट. प्रीतम कम ऑन, गेट ऑन इट.
Man,
Masking the movie.
you know, I wish someone just does like a deep dive where they go and interview the actual filmmakers where the movies were taken from, and they just show them the movie and do a react video.
Yeah.
Where it's like, tu
Where
bata
the,
abhi.
where the guy who's copied just slowly sinks into the chair. He's just like, yeah. Shit यार, ये तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं मैं इतना कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. मुझे लगा मैं थोड़ा कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये सेम बना है मैंने यार.
Kautuk is saying go to the OG people. Don't just go to
No,
the
but I like
Oh.
this. I like this idea better,
अबे,
where you
दोनों ना
put
side
both
by
of them
side,
together.
Both are together.
Dude, imagine Sanjay Gupta's reel, dude.
संजय गुप्ता, महेश भट्ट, ये सब ऐसे बैठ के ऐसे देख रहे कि चुतिया क्या करे अभी.
Shootout at Vadala started in LA.
तो
Must. Yeah.
मैं आज बात करने वाला हूँ बच्चों के बारे में. पहले तो हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे.
Hey, to you too.
बराबर सुबह 14 नवंबर को आया मॉम डैड का हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, क्योंकि तुम 34 साल के हो तभी भी तुम चिल्ड्रन हो. लेकिन what I want to talk about is I think how smarter kids have gotten today, because now as a fully grown adult,
Oh, unreal.
when you look at kids,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
able to see small things, right? Like firstly, before we start, are you guys like good with kids?
Ah.
I think
No, because
I-
some people get annoyed, अरे irritating. अपना
No,
kid
I
बोला
don't
तो
get-
सारे
yeah.
plane पे मत लेके आ, अपना वो होता है पहले, right? So I was like that. I've always been good with kids, like in terms of interacting.
I think
with them
I'm
and
good
stuff.
with kids if kids are good with me.
Convenient. No.
Fair.
बच्चा तो बच्चा ही रहेगा ना यार, रहेगी, उसको थोड़ी फर्क पड़ रहा है तू कैसा है.
Fair.
No, but the reason I'm saying this is because so one of my closest friends, Omna, now she has a 15-month-old baby boy, Zain. ठीक है? And like, even though it's not come from Nikita and me, we feel like that kid is our child. I've never felt that much love for any kid. In fact, today after whole day of hectic planning and all, the one thing we needed to do to refresh was to go meet him. And bro, I'm not kidding. Poof, suddenly like half an hour of chilling with this 15-month-old and you feel charged up and excited.
Varun.
I mean, that's because
वरुण कुछ
हाँ.
बताना है क्या हम लोग को?
नहीं बे, बच्चा नहीं. पहले एक शादी तो होने दे, बच्चा बहुत टाइम है.
नहीं,
इसमें-
मैं पूछ रहे
देख, I'll tell you why.
हम प्रेग्नेंट हैं,
नहीं,
हम
हम
साथ में
pregnant
मोटे
नहीं.
होंगे.
Communist anthem नहीं
Hey,
आता
but
मुझे.
Thakur, you know what? Like, so they say the same thing about babies, and they say the same thing about yachts. That you should not own a yacht. You should be friends with the guy who owns a yacht.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो करता है
Always.
maintenance और तू करता है
Well,
मजा.
which is what I'm saying right now. The reason I'm so happy and excited and you feel paternal or maternal is because you're not doing the grunt work. You're not waking up at 4 a.m. You're not cleaning potty. You don't have to pay school fees. You know what fucking kindergarten fees are? You know what
Yeah.
play school fees are?
It depends
Massive.
on where you are going. But yeah,
I mean, listen, you see nowadays what is happening. तेरा आजू बाजू तू देखेगा, तू peer pressure में ही बच्चे को किधर और डालना पड़ेगा तुझे, bro. Because
अरे
every person I know is sending the kid to whatever, Kokapura or to this. By the way, there's a new school, Waldorf something.
Waldorf. Huh?
that's a salad, guys.
Yeah, it's
the
also
Waldorf
Holden.
education
Or they
system.
made it a cool.
No, so
cool,
it's a new
Nice.
kind of education
Yeah,
where it's
it's
not like तू बैठ के पढ़ाई कर रहा है. तो तेरे को वो वो games खिला के play, you learn about life and stuff. I don't know the exact syllabus कि क्या करा रहे बच्चों को, लेकिन ऐसे proper bookish way में नहीं करा रहे.
अंधेरी ईस्ट
So-
वाला स्कूल में भेज रहे क्या उसको?
मैं नहीं भेज रहा, मैं सिर्फ सुना ये सब है.
Hey, but also this thing, man, there was like a friend of mine was telling me they were planning to have kids, and he was like, the craziest thing about that is he knows people who have booked a slot for their kid
Yes,
3 years before they've had the kid.
yes, yes.
3 years
No,
before
it's not just
they
that.
had
Like, I'm
the
saying,
kid.
bro, 6 months into the depending on the kind of school you want to go to, 6 months after the kid is born, you're too late apparently. If you've not booked
That's
it.
तो मैं
hilarious.
क्या अभी फोन करूँ क्या? हेलो वॉल्डॉर्फ.
Yeah.
तो हाँ,
एक-
but
एक booking.
वॉल्डॉर्फ का 2-3 कहानी है मेरे पास मेरा नेफ्यू के लाइफ से जो मैं तेरे को बताएगा इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद क्योंकि वो पॉइंटलेस है. बट लाइक द वॉल्डॉर्फ द एजुकेशन सिस्टम व्हाइल इट्स ऑल ग्रेट एंड ऑल देयर सम वेरी लाइक स्लाइटली डिस्कंसर्टिंग थिंग्स अबाउट.
मेरे को बहुत फीलिंग आ रहा है मैं ऐसे होम स्कूल करे. वो अलाउ नहीं करेगी, लेकिन बैठ के YouTube दिखाएगा, ये देख, ये पढ़.
Bro, here's the
That's
thing,
it.
right? Here's the thing. So, you know that the education sector is booming just by the fact that the Indian team has Byju's on their chest.
Oh yeah,
Right.
no, that too is
Charon,
No, but I
insane.
think what Thakur is talking about is true in terms of just the growth of like what they can do and stuff like that. Like
I think they are
my-
so
my-
much smarter. They understand, like, now Zayn, like 6 months back, if you send a fan, he'll look up. He's 6 months, देखो fan का क्या मालूम है? This kid now, ever since he started recognizing us, because first they only see like it's black and white, literally. Then
Hmm.
they start seeing shapes, which is why in their rooms you'll see like triangle, circle, square, so that they start seeing all of those. Slowly उनका vision आता है. Then their smell is really strong. They know what the mother smells like, what the father smells like. Then they're able to get that vision, which starts from hazy to, okay, now I can see this person. Okay, so we've been with this child from the ऐसे बाहर निकला तब से आज रात तक. Like we are constantly seeing, and it's insane the growth. Like now, because a lot of my friends are having kids or have had kids or are pregnant currently, a lot of baby talk happens. So bro, हम लोग के टाइम पे I think ये नहीं हो रहा था. मेरे को लंगोट बांध के रख दिया था शायद बाजू में और बड़े हो गए हम लोग. I don't know. Like
Yeah, no.
the amount of stuff that happens right now is crazy.
Yeah.
No, like in a good way. I'm not saying it in a bad way. I'm saying there's so much to figure out. Like just having a child is not just having a child. There's a million things around it
Yeah,
that you
yeah.
gotta
Arey,
figure,
there's
and
a-
just listening to
there's a
people
reason
is
why the phrase is that it takes a village to raise a child.
100%, bro.
Yeah.
100%. Like it's quite crazy. Even now, this kid, bro, you won't believe. We every time we used to go to his house, now we used to start dancing, Nikita, non-stop. So I think about 9 or 10 months, I think he was, or 11 months,
And
he
his
started
first
doing
words
this.
were
No, he's-
Shamak.
no. Have feet will dance was the tagline. तो वो ऐसे करने लग गए हम लोग को देख के. So we're like, oh, yeah. We started doing this. Now it's become a thing. Now, even if we suppose show up on FaceTime, he'll be like, oh, this is Macha and Machi. And then he'll start dancing. You know what he dances on? Vacuum cleaner का आवाज. उनके घर में एक छोटा वैक्यूम क्लीनर है. उसको चालू करेंगे ना तो आवाज आता है. तो उस पर डांस करता है. This is how it started. Now, this kid knows what the vacuum cleaner is. He will go take it, drag it, keep it in front of you, point at it. Point at the on button. Like,
Wow.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, it seems
Bro,
so
can-
stupid.
can you
but
imagine?
it's-
No,
you're like, what?
I'll tell you.
How are you
my-
doing this?
Like
How
my
are you
nephew
doing this?
is wanted to show me a video on YouTube, has taken my phone, showing me the video on YouTube at whatever, some 15, 18 months type only, has seen the video on YouTube, has skipped ad as it was playing
Wow.
Yeah.
and realized it is not
Wow.
the video he wants to watch. So has swiped up and seen those 4 other videos and has selected the video he wants me to watch.
How old
At
is this
18
kid?
months. No.
Wow.
He's done it. He's done it at 18 months.
18 months.
18 months
Must.
he's done it at. And it's just because they're so easily born with the phone and they're so easily born with the screen.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
But this Zen thing with the vacuum cleaner, na, like I hope he retains this forever. Like he
Even
becomes
we hope.
18, yeah, goes to a club, goes to the DJ, and he's like, Dyson, laga, Dyson.
Dyson में आवाज नहीं आता है.
Oh,
You're paying too much money for sound. Dyson में आवाज नहीं आता. नहीं आता है, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. But he does that. Then now knows the difference between अच्छा fan क्या है, light क्या है, arc, nose. I mean, I don't know at what time development spurts happen, because you always have what is the word they use? Like a
birthdays.
no, yes, not birthdays. Like it's a leap, like in learning, like they able
Cognitive
to
leap.
yeah, nahi,
No.
but there's a word for it.
Okay.
Fuck, now I
Sure.
forgot. इतने
Sure.
1.5 साल से बोल रहा है, and you can see that change, bro, physically. And I've noticed girls, like little baby girls, like somehow develop much faster. They start speaking a lot faster than apparently boys do. I've seen that also with another friend's baby. Immediately, like up, awake, ama, mama, baba, ये सब चालू हो गया already. 14 महीना, 12 महीना. Girls.
Dude,
The
that's crazy.
boys are taking slightly longer, but I mean, long as it like whatever usual time babies take.
But this is also, one thing that I find very, I don't know where I stand on this, like, which is the great debate, right? About parenting, which is, when do you introduce kids to technology? Because it's crazy how they are addicted to technology. Like the kids I've seen anywhere out in the public, basically their parents will put something on YouTube, hand it to the kid, and the kid is lost. Like he's
but that happens. We used to have these conversations when they were pregnant, saying, like, oh, he's going to pop out now. I mean, we didn't know the sex then, but baby's going to pop out. What do you think? When are you going to give him or her the phone?
Yeah.
We used to have this conversation, and we used to imagine kaise hoga. Bro, it's literally that you in your head think that, oh, I will not give my child screen time, no phone, no iPad, no this. But in today's day and age, it's impossible.
It's impossible
to keep them away. This kid has seen it at 6 months. He knows that if you're a child, you have no concept of world, nothing. But देखो keys देखा और वो ऐसा करने लग गया एक बंद लैपटॉप पे. Now nose swipe. Like मैं उस दिन कैमरा रखा सामने उसको.
मेरा एक दोस्त का बेटा है, ठीक है. Literally, there was a dinner at their house, and what they were doing is they were playing music on their TV through one of these like app thingies. Okay, this kid has gone in front of the screen, okay, and has done this.
Oh wow!
In front of the TV screen has done this. It obviously didn't work, but has gotten therefore irritated because has
कि
done
ये क्या
this
गंदा
and
टेक्नोलॉजी है
कि ये चल नहीं रहा है कि स्वाइप क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Why can't I go to the next fucking video or whatever the fuck? Can you imagine? It's
dude. By the way, so here's another fun thing that happens. Okay, so a lot of kids have figured out, and this is a big giant problem that's happening across the world. Kids have figured out that their parents' credit cards are linked to different accounts. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Amazon,
this is a huge
Apple.
problem apparently.
Yeah.
There was something on Instagram or Twitter or something where there was this person who
they ran up a huge credit card bill only to find out that the kid had done it.
Yeah.
उनको लग रहा है कि ये YouTube वीडियो देख के चुप बैठ के खाना खाएगा तो वो उधर
खरीद रहा है. And the thing is, like I just imagine that this family is like every day the bell is ringing and Amazon is giving one like stroller, one toys.
So there was one which I saw. Where the mother has shown the Amazon stuff that he has ordered, and apparently this is not some 4-year-old or something. This is one 11-year-old, okay, who has ordered
4-year-olds are not doing that.
One PlayStation 5, one
PlayStation?
cycle, ये सब मंगाया उसने, ठीक है, one cycle, roller blades, ये वो, और बीच में मम्मी के लिए उसने एक हेयर ड्रायर मंगाया है. ये सब चल रहा है उसका.
But क्या स्मार्ट बच्चा है कि
so the mom is saying gonna keep the hair dryer though. बाकी सब bro, kya log hai yaar.
Dude, in fact, if you see the toys that kids have nowadays, bro, what were the toys you guys were playing with when your children? Do you remember anything?
I'll tell you.
Yes,
I got
the
a
abacus and rocks.
Bus
and
no,
marbles.
No, and I got a bat free
के
with Milo. That's what I was playing.
हाँ नहीं वो अबे क्रिकेट बैट बॉल फुटबॉल वो तो स्टैंडर्ड है वो तो होगा ही वो बहुत टाइम से चल रहा है राइट बट नाउ डेज दीज किड्स आर गेटिंग क्रेजी बिकॉज So Zayn's dad Yash, I feel he gets the toys for himself.
Yeah, fair.
Because all
Yeah,
those
yeah.
toys are so much fun. Like we go to the house, we are playing with Zayn, and then we're like, hey, come, let's play with your toy. फिर Zayn कुछ और कर रहा है, हम लोग बैठ के वो toy के साथ खेल रहे हैं. I'll tell you this kick-ass toy this guy has. Okay, so it's a अभी जमीन पे तू एक ऐसे मैट लगा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, 6x4 का मैट लगा है तुम्हें. अभी वो मैट के ऊपर there's drawings of different musical instruments.
instruments.
So there's a keyboard,
And you
there's a
press.
drum,
और फिर
there's
तू
a
भी बजा
guitar,
रहा है.
there's a this. So when you tap, because you know kids keep doing that now on the thing. So when you tap the drum, it takes out a drum ka sound.
Yes.
So
Have
this
you
kid
have you
goes
played
and he
with
does
the presets.
yeah bro, the kids go ham. वो देख रहे ये करने से साला ड्रम बज रहा है तो डम 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 डम, and in a weird way, although completely out of tune, it's they're making music.
Yeah, it's called Tanish Bagchi.
ये कर रहा है bro, it was so much fun. Like there's और एक बहुत बाप टॉय था which is it's like a glow in the dark. अरे आज ही खेल रहे थे यार, where you can draw on it, और अपने आप मिट जाएगा, but you can see it in UV light something. I don't know what the concept behind it was, but it was really cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Like I remember this. When I was growing up, my dad had gone to he'd gone to London, and in London there used to be a store called Hamleys. So Hamleys, he had picked up a bunch of stuff and he had brought it back, and those toys were just insane. Like, and nothing like the stuff you found in India, right? And now there's a Hamleys at every goddamn airport.
Yeah,
right? Where those Hamleys guys are just constantly playing with those toys, looking extremely sad while doing it.
bro, it's Hamleys and China. The amount of kids toys that are coming from there, really like insane ones. I'm telling you now, nowadays you go to any kid's house as an adult, you're going to be so entertained playing those things, because kids are still trying to figure out what to do. You already know what has to be done, so the game is actually a lot more fun to play.
And here's the other thing, right? So the other day, man, इधर से अपने घर से नीचे देख रहा था, there was one kid who had the thing that I had always wanted as a child, and this guy had it, which was the small car.
The remote control one.
No, the car that you can actually fucking sit in.
Yeah.
Man,
बैटरी ऑपरेटेड वाला ब्रो, बाप सब है आजकल बच्चों के पास, सब है. एंड
सब है.
उनको आईपैड मिलता है, फिर उनको आईफोन मिलता है, जिसके ऊपर उन लोग, एक तो तू ये बच्चों का, इफ यू सी द नर्सरी, ओ वाओ, वी शुड हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड अ किड्स यूट्यूब चैनल जिसपे अपन गाना गा रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए. इट्स क्रेजी. बेबी शार्क, वी नो ऑल द nursery rhymes, all the jingles,
Dude,
all the kid songs.
There is a 1 hour 28-minute long YouTube video of just wheels on the bus go round
and round, round and round.
1 hour 28 minutes.
और उसमें यही चल रहा है, mummy on the bus goes
oh my lord,
baby on the bus goes wow. ये हम लोग करके आए अभी, यही क्यों परफॉर्मेंस देखा है हम लोग. But you know, in new age moms I've seen, most of my friends who have babies right now, बच्चा एक साइड पे उन लोग संभाल रहे, अलेक्सा, सबके पास घर पे अलेक्सा है, and you will not know you won't feel the importance. We don't care, like I don't want to tell Alexa to play anything, but for moms it is so cool. It's very, very handy and actually useful. So I've seen them use
notes.
और इतना
बना दिया है.
नहीं
ब्रो,
ब्रो,
अलेक्सा का तो बन गया है, मैंने बना भी दिया है कब तक.
नहीं, लेकिन देखो बोलो ये करते वक्त ना, now Zayn has started seeing, oh, we look at this one round black thing, we call it Alexa, we tell it something, and then she plays music. So he's seen this month on month on month on month. अभी आके तेरे को पकड़ेगा, लेके जाएगा और उसको आओ बोलेगा, आओ आओ आओ, because उसको मालूम है मैं और निकिता जब भी जाते हैं, निकिता will take him in her lap, और जलेबी भी गाना, जलेबी बेबी वो बजता है. So now he knows that हाँ से बज रहा है, come here, play that, आओ is Alexa. It's crazy. And now with every passing month we are seeing, you know, when you spend that much time with the child, you're there. The word I was looking for was milestones. You know, kids at a small age, it's called milestone. कि 6 महीने पे ये milestone, 8 पे ये, 12 पे.
You could have said benchmarks. You could have said
अभी
anything.
word milestone है बाबा. मम्मी लोग ये यूज करे तो मैं क्या करूं? मम्मी से आर्ग्यू करेगा? हाँ?
मेरा
नहीं,
मम्मी
I
नहीं
don't-
है.
Oh, you walked into that one, Thakur.
Yes. You set it up because you set it up to win the argument, which you
Yeah.
wouldn't have.
अभी हार गया ना. अभी तू ये सब के बीच में मम्मी को घुसाएगा
मम्मी
तो.
को घुसाएगा तो. हाँ.
सॉरी मैं
No, but,
कंटेल खा रहा हूँ. मेरा गला खराब.
Super interesting. And everyone, please write in the comment section what year you would like Varun Thakur to have a child.
By the way, शादीशुदा तू भी है. तू कब कर रहा है बच्चा? मेरी तो भी शादी भी
नहीं
नहीं
नहीं,
हुई.
मैं टॉपिक नहीं लाया, तो
हाँ.
जो टॉपिक लाया उसके बारे में.
नहीं मैं टॉपिक. Okay,
No,
let us know in the
Varun,
comments
one
the
second.
different ways you think kids nowadays are smarter than you were when you were that age. Because honestly, every
both,
day,
But
every
they
kid I
are all
meet.
kids only, dude.
अभी लेकिन चूती अपने 18 महीने के लोग अपना पॉडकास्ट नहीं देख रहे ना. अगर देख
No,
रहे हो
but,
तो प्लीज सो जाओ.
Bro, so the thing is,
नहीं, like करके सो जाओ.
हाँ लाइक करना. ऐसे ऐसे मारो कुछ लाइक.
White Hat Junior has got coding classes for, I think, 6-year-olds or something like that.
हाँ?
So that's how smart they are. ठीक है. तो अपन क्या ही बात कर
you
रहे
know when you say coding ना, मेरे को सिर्फ I just see fingers frantically tapping on a keyboard.
Yeah.
That's all I understand about coding. I don't know how people do it. It's some insane skill. लेकिन ना 6 साल के age से चालू करो बच्चों को coding, HTML and all of that. These guys are going to mint money when
Yeah.
when they're going to grow.
coding for 6-year-olds. White Hat
Why
Junior.
have you said coding, HTML and all that?
ऐसे ही. मेरे को 4-5 वर्ड मालूम था तो बोल दिया.
Okay. Because,
Holy shit, it's amazing, dude.
yeah.
6-year-olds
It is.
coding is the best because तेरा next tech billionaire is going to be a 7-year-old.
अबे एक 12 साल का
It's like
बच्चा
मैं
है.
6 पे स्टार्ट किया और अभी मैं इलॉन मस्क के आगे हूँ.
हाँ. इलॉन मस्क तुमको अभी तक ऊपर पर है. मैं मार्स पहुंचा दिया अपना. I use
I've
this
made
technology. मतलब अभी छूती है तू 6 महीने पहले तक व्हील्स ऑन द बस को राउंड एंड राउंड कर रहा था. तेरा स्पेसशिप मार्स कैसे पहुंच गया? अरे फ्रैंटिकली टाइपिंग ऑन कीबोर्ड ब्रो. कट 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 कट. मैं आज का बच्चा हूँ. मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग है. तुम साले सब
बूमर लोग.
कुछ मालूम नहीं है. अमेज हो जाओ हमसे सिर्फ. जस्ट कीप गेटिंग अमेज्ड बाय हाउ स्मार्ट वी आर. इसलिए तुम डम हो.
and then while he's talking, you just play Peppa Pig and he's like, wow, मस्त. चल बाबा,
Easy.
come on.
Today's
Abhi.
story, I just want to start off with this. I just want to start off with this, okay? So this is the quote in an interview by this actor who has won an Oscar. Okay, so the story is about this person. Okay, it says, I still really don't know to this day what the fuck that was all about. All I know is I arrived in LA, got to my hotel, as I'd done umpteen times before, started unpacking, and there was a knock at the door, and a team of FBI guys wanted to sit down and discuss something with me. And then nearly for 2 years, they were always around. I remember going to the Golden Globes, having like 16 security guys with me. I don't even know why. They wouldn't give me any details. And of course, people were like, look at him. He thinks he's fucking Elvis. And then one day they just weren't there anymore.
Must.
This story was then later confirmed by the FBI that yes, this has happened. The actor in question is a gentleman called Russell Crowe.
अरे Gladiator.
Yes, Gladiator. Because in 2001, a couple of months before he won the Oscar,
For Gladiator.
there was for Gladiator, there was an actual credible threat of Russell Crowe and a few other actors who haven't been named yet. Russell Crowe being kidnapped by the Al Qaeda. Yes. And this
Wow.
story, the problem is there is such limited information about this story, but it is.
This is the first time I'm hearing about it.
Yes, it is insanely crazy because the FBI told him that the terrorists had devised a cultural destabilization plan that involved seizing high-profile actors. And for Russell Crowe, that was the first conversation in my life that I'd ever heard the phrase Al Qaeda. Now
Then they found out he is Australian.
exactly.
अरे सर ये गलत है सीन, ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया का है.
और ऋतिक रोशन
Exactly.
तो ऑल अमेरिकन कुछ बताओ सर. अभी वो है नहीं कोई. कौन है भाई ऑल अमेरिकन? टॉम हैंक्स. नहीं टॉम हैंक्स इज टू नाइस. उसको नहीं किडनैप करेंगे. हाँ नहीं.
And just to give you context, that the Oscars were held in March of 2001. All right. So it is before 9/11 that this was a credible threat on Russell Crowe's life. So imagine you've never, I mean, you're Russell Crowe, you're living your life and you've never even heard of Al Qaeda, and suddenly you land in America and there are like some 20 FBI agents surrounding you saying, Bhai sahab, tera life khatre mein, tere ko nikalne wala hai ye desh se. And so what was the cultural destabilization plan, which was to take people who are iconic, he was obviously touted to win the Oscar that year for Gladiator. He has spent a lot of shooting, a lot of Beautiful Mind with tremendous amounts of security and all of that, because it was in the years coming forward.
And
The
Beautiful
plan-
Mind was also about FBI and CIA and all
yes. And there is an entire fan fiction section of people saying this was promotion by Russell Crowe for Beautiful Mind. This was promotion by Russell Crowe for Body of Lies. That is why he chose
अबे
to do
Body of Lies came so many years later. वो क्या 2001 से प्रमोशन चालू कर दिया उसने. देख रिडली, मेरे को मालूम है अपन एक और मूवी तो साथ में कर रही है, प्रमोशन अभी चालू कर लेते.
So there's all of this. There's also one hilarious article which said that this was because he won Gladiator. This was a plot by Denzel Washington and Julia Roberts, who did not win Oscar. So
Possible. और ये सब की मास्टरमाइंड थी मेरिल स्ट्रीप. लेकिन फिर वो जीत गई.
ये सब भी चल रहा है, ठीक है. Now, how did they hear about this is even crazier. Okay, because so for 2 years they've not told him. They've just said that somebody from Al Qaeda is going to kidnap you, so we are going to follow you around everywhere. Okay, how did they find out about it? Because it was something to do with the recording picked up by a French policewoman in either Libya or Algiers. Okay, and it was about taking, and this is the little touch of irony, taking iconographic Americans out of the picture as sort of a cultural destabilization plan.
Bro, okay, here's my alternative. Maybe it was a conversation where a guy was going like, Gladiator बाप पिक्चर है, उसका DVD निकालते.
और इट वाज वन ऑफ दोस कि अरे यार क्या बाप पिक्चर है, क्या मस्त एक्टिंग किया, इसको भी किडनैप करके अपने कंट्री में लेके जाके एक्टिंग कराते यार, तो अपनी इंडस्ट्री भी बढ़ जाए. ये अलकायदा है, रसल क्रो के पीछे आ रहे, पकड़ो उसको. आई थिंक देन अलकायदा वॉच ग्लैडिएटर. नहीं भाई, मैक्सिमस ऑरेलियस के साथ नहीं करेगा भाई, वो टाइगर को मार रहा है. सर हम नहीं करते.
Murdered son, husband to a murdered wife,
kidnapped, wrongful American Australian.
So it's just such a crazy story. I mean, that's pretty much all I have in terms of how the story pans out, because in one of the interviews Russell Crowe is like, now I have my own security and whatever, but it's like one or two guys. It's not like I have 20 people following me in like, white shirts and crisp suits. He went to the BAFTAs surrounded by security guard. उसके जो पीछे बैठते हैं, जो नॉर्मली सीट फिलर्स होते हैं, एक्चुअली सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स थे, बिकॉज दे वर लाइक यू आर कमिंग क्लोजर एंड क्लोजर टू वेयर अल कायदा इज ऑपरेटिंग.
In the theaters?
No, in London compared to.
No, but Bawa, also, like, can you imagine how difficult it must have been for paparazzis at the time? Because this guy has won the Oscar और 20 लोग उसके साथ हैं. And they're like, Russell, left. CIA, थोड़ा left.
That's insane though. लेकिन रसल क्रो के अलावा और कौन थे कि सिर्फ रसल क्रो को ही पकड़ने जा रहे हैं? If you want to cultural destabilization करना है, which is something what North Korea does, right, with South Koreans. They've kidnapped a couple of really popular South Korean actors, taken them there. I remember. तू मेरे को बोला था कौतुक, we read about this somewhere, remember? Where North Korea ने kidnap किया था थोड़े South Korean actors को, who then went on to have successful career in the North Korean film industry. because they couldn't go back. They're like, इधर मेरा already, मतलब तो ऐसे
एंड डूड उधर सारा पिक्चर हिट होता है क्योंकि किम
सारा
जोंग
written, directed, financed,
सब कुछ बाय
उधर
कुछ
उधर
by Kim
तो
Jong.
उधर तो सूडोनिम भी नहीं चाहिए, सब कुछ भाई किम जोंग
सब
ही.
कुछ बाय
The other
But
thing
if
is,
you were to do cultural destabilization, बाबा तू किसको निकालता?
no, so here there is some stuff about
Marvel.
Tom Cruise. Tom
Marvel.
Cruise.
how people are saying that no, so they wanted to get rid of really big figures, so there was
अबे
speculation
टॉम क्रूज
because
भी बड़ा है ना ब्रो, ऐसे
No.
टॉम क्रूज कोई साइड ही थोड़ी है.
no, so in 2000 no, they wanted to take out,
Oscar
so they
winners.
were saying take out like Oprah
critically
Winfrey.
acclaimed.
No, so the conversation was Oprah Winfrey.
अरे
Because like anybody who brings a certain, I don't know, guess somebody who brings a certain amount of positivity.
सब अच्छे लोग
or-
को लेके जा रहे हैं, तुमको डिस्टेबलाइज करना है तो चूतियों को निकालो ना. अच्छों
नहीं,
You
को
get a
that's
hostage.
not
You get a
true.
hostage. You get a hostage.
I am hostage.
So
और
like,
ओपरा, रसल क्रो एंड
no, so there are various names. Then I think people have just started throwing around names because ऐसा Tom Hanks का भी नाम आया है.
हाँ आना
ये
ही
भी
चाहिए.
नाम
टॉम
है.
क्रूज होना चाहिए. ब्रैड पिट को नहीं लेके जा रहे हैं इन लोग. चूतिए तेरे को
नहीं,
डिस्टेबलाइज
so,
करना है.
You know
Russell
something?
Crowe
There must have been
interview-
at least one actor who was disappointed to not be on the list.
Of course.
He's like, मैंने इतना
Woody
काम किया है,
Harrelson.
guys. Like, I deserve it, यार. मस्त.
बाबा कुछ पढ़ रहा है क्या?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find one more thing. If there was.
Classics. Never gets old.
And then the episode comes a full circle where I started with Baba mimicry and now Baba is doing Baba mimicry.
Arey, no, because there was one sentence. So
No,
the
no, there's
FBI
always one
reportedly
sentence.
One sentence to add to the 4 sentences that you said. Now,
the
eh,
FBI
5
reportedly
sentences.
said the FBI reportedly stated that on mature reflection, they
Mature?
thought the threat had been overstated.
Yeah, no shit. And
So,
that too, this is before 9/11.
yeah,
Like I understand if you hear like some random recording post 9/11, you would go into overdrive. लेकिन 2001 के beginning में क्या चल रहा था? People were still just getting out of Bill Clinton, Monica Lewinsky.
and you were able to literally walk up to the gate in a plane in America. So, yeah, this is what I
Must.
brought to the table today.
Must.
Good.
Hmm.
और कुछ
I
है और
cannot
कोई
believe
kidnapping?
that they have chosen that Al Qaeda has chosen to kidnap a New Zealander / Australian to destabilize the cultural the cultural thing
Suddenly
of
लोग
America.
किडनैप कर लिया तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया डिस्टेबलाइज हो गया. Oh shit. Oh, what happened, mate? अरे रसल को किडनैप किया है to destabilize America. तो अपन क्यों डिस्टेबलाइज हो रहे? Fuck. जल्दी क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ को लेके आओ कोई तो. ह्यू जैकमैन का है. निकोल. अच्छा स्टीवो. हाँ चलेगा कोई भी. सिर्फ ऑस्ट्रेलियंस को रखो भाई. I don't want to be destabilized like it's 1438. Nothing happened in 1438, guys. I just threw a day. Delirium.
Must. Okay.
Ready?
So on that note,
On that note, Baba Rasputin with the Russian queen. So that was this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing क्या तेरा topic था कौतुक?
credits.
Movie credits, kids, and Baba तू क्या बोला था?
Russell Crowe.
An American destabilization by kidnapping an Australian guy. That's leading to kangaroos being extinct. If you like this episode, please like, subscribe, share, comment, share this with your friends. And yeah, हम
wait.
आते रहेंगे. अरे हाँ, sorry,
हाँ, मेरे को एक
बेचो.
प्लग करेंगे. तो I'm doing a Zoom show on the 21st of November. So tickets will be in the description. So get them and check out Secondhand Stories if you haven't. हाँ.
Check out the new Internet Sets on Kautuk's channel with Kautuk. We'll come there one of the episode.
You should better call Kautuk.
Better.
Okay, guys, that's it from this episode. See you again next week. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Shabba khair. Salamesh.
मेरे को लग रहा है ना ठाकुर 2025 तक तो बच्चा कर ही लेगा.
हाँ.
अरे कमिटमेंट.
अभी दे दिया भाई, अभी क्या करूं, मैंने डिस्प्ले बोल दिया है तो करना पड़ेगा। बेबी सॉरी, सॉरी आई कमिटेड।